Hey everyone, this is how you can uninstall the Klarna app from mobile device. So first, go ahead and open the Play Store app on your mobile device, and from here tap on the search button on the bottom right corner of your screen, and you'll see a search bar at the top. Simply tap on it, and here go ahead and search Klarna. So tap on the Klarna app, which is downloaded by 15 million plus people. So here you'll see two options, open and uninstall. Simply tap on the uninstall button, and here it will ask uninstall this app. Simply tap on the uninstall button, and from here your mobile device will delete the Klarna app. And it is that easy. This is how you can uninstall the Klarna app, but you can download it anytime you want. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.